Hi, this is the video podcast for week 2 of English 102. Just a few announcements to make. I want to remind you guys that you have to do the ENG102 diagnostic by Wednesday in the testing center, so please get that done. Secondly, please get your books. We've got some assignments coming up very soon, one in particular in They Say, I Say, so you want to make sure you have your texts. But one of the things I just want to talk about at this juncture is paragraphs, and I've been looking at your writing, and it looks great. You guys have got some really great starts on your first paper on the definition of America and Americans. And I just want to, there's a lesson in here about paragraphs and about thesis statements, and I want to talk a little bit for just a moment about the relationship between your thesis and your body paragraphs. And one of the things I'm seeing in a lot of your writing, and I know it's rough writing, and I just told you just to think and write, is that for a lot of you, I don't really see a relationship between your thesis in what you've written and the body paragraphs that you're writing. And I just want to remind you that, remember that the body paragraphs throughout your paper are always working to support your thesis. So you have an argument here, like you have a definition of what you think America or American means, and then you have a series of body paragraphs that develop some sub-point or argument in support of that thesis. So I really want you to look at what you've been writing in your rough draft, and when you start to move things towards a second draft, is ask yourself, am I writing in support of my thesis? Or am I just putting a series of paragraphs or lumps of words together, and really there's no argumentative connection? So you really want to ask yourself, how and why is each one of my body paragraphs supporting my thesis, and start to think of that. And that's really important to making an argument. Okay? So again, I know you're just beginning to do some of your rough work for the class, but start to think about the structure of your paper and how you're going to support your thesis. And that's all for today, and if you have any questions, you guys know how to reach me, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.